Namaste friends, I'm Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I'm here with pattern 55, which is worked with Hobby Store Special DK yarn named Cool Grey and color code 5005. This pattern requires multiples of 3 stitches or multiples of 3 plus 2 chains if worked individually. So to begin with, in my pattern I have one extra stitch that I adjust in the and at the end of the row, and in the blanket you have 2 extra, so you can adjust one at the beginning and one at the end. So we begin our first stitch with a double crochet here, half double crochet, and then we skip next 2 and make one single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet all in the same stitch, and again skip the next 2 and make one single crochet, chain 2, single crochet all in the same stitch. So skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the next, skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the next. That is the first row repeat for this particular pattern. Repeat till the end. I shall meet you at the end over here. I've come to the end of the row here. I'm placing my last half double crochet here in the last stitch. Turn the work. Place one double crochet here in the very first. I've come to the end of the row here. I'm placing one half double, skip one and place one half double crochet here, and in the last one half double crochet. Again to begin with, row 2. Row 2 is a DC row, so I'm going to place this stitch is not counted, so I'm placing my standing DC, and here the pattern begins, one DC here, and henceforth in the chain 2 space you're going to place 3 DCs. Again in the next chain 2 space 3 DCs. So you're skipping all the rest of the stitches. You're not working in the single crochets. Continue placing 3 DCs in chain 2 spaces till the end. I shall meet you at the end over here. Come to the end of the row here. Place 1 DC in each of the next 2 stitches here. So the next row you begin with a half double crochet. The first and the last are not counted, so just yarn over. And next onwards you're going to work only in the middle DC of the 3 DC groups. So in the middle DC you're going to place one single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet. If I remember correct, the stitch is known by primrose stitch. So every middle DC you will place single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. Come to the end of the row here. I'm placing one half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches here, because the last one is not counted and this stitch is counted. So place your half double crochet here, pick up insert the hook under this V. Only then your stitch will be straight in the edge. So the next row is same as the second row, placing 3 DCs in each of the chain 2 spaces. Turn your work. It's a DC row, totally a DC row. The very first DC, this is a pattern DC starting, and 3 DCs in chain 2 space. So continue till then. Place 3 DCs in each of the chain 2 spaces and end with a DC on each of the last 2 stitches. I shall meet you at the end here. I've come to the end of the row here. So for the blanket I'm going to do only so much and place a DC row after this. This is how the pattern looks. It gives a beautiful textured effect. So you can use this for any lightweight jackets, shawls, etc. It will look very beautiful, and you can have the color changes also in this. That will give a greater effect. I shall make the DC row and post the picture at the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I shall meet you with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.